Hey, Vsauce, no. It's the other way around. Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm going to be talking about a graphics card called Quadro K620. This graphics card has been a very essential part of my life so far. As you can see, it's a very small graphics card, small form factor. It can fit, very nicely in my hands. Like most graphics cards these days, huge, massive, chongus. This one right here, look at its cooler. It's tiny. Like coolers these days, you know how big they are? Most computers these days, people want computers to be small, but GPUs just keep getting bigger. Like, it's a dilemma here. This graphics card was released in 2014 of July the 22nd, and the MSRP price was $190. These days, I don't think you would want to buy this for that amount. During the GPU crisis, this thing was pretty high in price. Probably the highest was like $120, which that's literally the price of a 1050 Ti when it was at MSRP. Like, come on, this thing not cheap. Now it is, I think it is at least. How much? I don't know. This thing is more expensive than a 1050 Ti at MSRP. What does it do? Well, actually, it's a graphics design graphics card. Literally in the name, graphics card. Like, who knew it could be more figurative? The thing is that I use it for editing, and I still use it for editing because I have a new computer that has more than one PCI Express lane. I never knew how important they were until I realized that this card was actually really good for editing when I got a GTX 1050 for $200. Well, actually, this is Australia, so I hear every YouTuber say like $150, which actually kind of makes more sense that it is $200. I got this thing. This was my first ever graphics card that I ever got in a computer. At the time, my computer only had one PCI Express lane. I put it in there, and then it was my original graphics card, because at the time, it was actually bought for $30. Like, my parents bought it for $30. At the time, I was editing with it, and it worked perfectly fine. Like, I never had troubles with editing the GTX 1050 Ti. Then problems started. Like, that card is not designed for editing. We could do a review on that one, but I don't have it anymore. I actually gave it to my friend. This graphics card is really great, but these days, I actually wouldn't suggest buying it. Mainly because even if it's $30, it's not going to really run games very well. At least the new ones. The new ones, oh my god. It's definitely not going to be able to play... What's that game? Cyberpunk. I can't even remember the name because that's how unpopular that game was. They hyped it up so much and then it got released. I didn't even, like, there was not even any streams on it. Like, I don't even know what the plot is. Like, oh my god. This graphics card comes with two ports. One of them is very unfamiliar to me. Like, I have never, ever in my life seen a display cable. The one on the left. The display port cable. It's meant to be kind of like HDMI, but I don't think it's very popular in Australia because, like, I don't really see many monitors having it. It's so dumb because every single graphics card I get has more than one display port. I'm gonna go check my graphics card that's in my computer at the moment. I'm gonna see how many ports it has. It has 3. I would love to have a monitor that actually had this port on it. Like, what? It also has, I believe it's called a DVI port. Now, these are some old ports, man. I still use them today because, like, I have old monitors and TVs, but it's changed so much. Like, you wish that we could just stay to the normal DVI, but everything is getting more expensive. HDMI is coming out. You can't get graphics cards these days with these things, so, you at least have to get adapters for them, and that's just dumb. Don't get adapters for power supplies, by the way. Well, I'm coming to a conclusion on this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you want to learn more about, like, what kind of games it can run, I would say that the baseline is Scrap Mechanic is probably the highest game, and that's not even like a very demanding game, at least not on your graphics card. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. You thought I left? Well, also make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're aware of when my next videos come out on this channel. Thank you.